Hello gentlemen, welcome to Sunki Automation YouTube channel. Today I intend to show you the projects of Python's counting object in image and counting object in one region of image. I will make it, I separate it to two different videos so that you will be more clear to understand the way how to make the projects. The first I will open the video. Let me see the counting object. I will open the projects and simulate it for you to see. Yolo V8 and counting object in the image. Yeah, counting in image. I open GPU 2. Okay, here I would simulate this for you before starting explanation the program. uh, the waiting for the Python open running project. Okay, it's already start. I will explain to you. I have the many pictures in the folder, so I want to read the object in the image, detect and calculate how many objects in image and what kinds of object in image will be calculated using Yolo V8. Um, okay, example in the pictures in front of you, you can see seven cards inside the pictures is already detected and calculated in this one. Secondly, here in this picture you see only one truck and one car already detect and draw bounding box. Two truck and one cars in the pictures detected and clearly draw bounding box around their trucks, motorcycle, bus. What's one bus only? Two buses and four person. Okay. Let me start explanation about the programs. Okay, let's start from the beginning. Uh, Here is the place to import this library from the Python. We use CV2. CV2 normally used for like draw and or writing something on the picture. Yes, draw, write, or convert, or edit, or do many things with pictures. And secondly, I import YOLO from Ultralytics. In YOLO, you can draw bounding box automatically, so that you need to import annotators. Import CV zone, because CV zone I use for put the text in the pictures. The text is a rectangle with the color. Let me open this again. From collections, import counter. I am import counter to calculate how many objects in a list or array. The last one, import glove. Glove is like to read the many pictures in one folder. So you will see the detail at the end of this. uh, actually here I use model from Yolo V8, that is pre-trained model. It is trained by Coco datasets with 79 objects already trained. So what you do is only use this, don't do anything with this, already trained. 79 objects already trained, so you only use this. Here actually we don't need to use this section because actually I just copied this project from one guy, and then I I changed the program according to my qualification. So I make it running on CPU or GPU because the old version is running on only on CPU. When running in GPU, it get errors. This is child function, but I need to open the main function for you to see here. It's the main main pro main here, main programs. Main program here. In the part I it's read a picture from image, many pictures from image here, and for file in glove part. It will read one by one pictures in the part, and it may receive it to image file. According to this program, I resize all the pictures 102. This is depend on you because I want to resize on the picture of the same size. This is main program object classes. This is return values object image. When you have an image, you need to detect object in an image. I use uh, these functions. I put in the small child functions. Object class is one like a matrix. So results and model predict frames. So I predict the number of objects in the frames or pictures, and results, box results, classes, names, confidence, and annotator that you for automatic annotators around the bounding box and confidence. Here look for on the object in the image to you like to print the label coordination prop like confidence. Okay, let me see from here. It detects and put in bounding box. These sections is used for automatic draws the bounding box around the object. Let me see. Yeah. Okay. You can see from here. This is more functions for count number of object, count number of object, counter object classes. So it will have all the like car, truck, motorcycle, people, inside one matrix. So the counter will calculate how much object in the image, and after that, here look for it will start like a print on the object on the image and display it in the pictures. Now it like this here, 7 card detectors and print on the screen. Trucks and one truck and one car. According to the program, you can see I have a parameter n that is used for you know change the position, like y position only. So when there are number of many objects in the image, it will automatically print different position like this. So if each object will separate 50 pixels. So here, that's why I use n plus 650. So the first position of object and the second is separate at 50 pixels. And it return value to image. So image will be like after the functions here, counter objects and object image and object classes and image, and it return to image, and image will be show ICV2 image show. Okay, after that we waiting for any key press, and after all the image complete, it will close a window. So this program is for display the number of objects or calculated number of objects in the image. Now secondly, I will show you how to calculate the object in the image and in one region of image. So in the image complete, I will close this projects. Let me see how much other video, because I want to separate different video with different objects, so you will be more clearly understand. Okay, thank you very much for watching my video. I hope you enjoy this video and like and subscribe my YouTube channel. uh, I will upload on the programs and in resources in my YouTube channel. You can copy and download it when you. That means I will zip on the image and upload on the in my Google Drive for you. Okay, thank you very much and goodbye. And see you in the next video. I will explain about the counting object in the region or in the zone of image. We will separate any zone you want to calculate. Thank you very much. Goodbye. See you next video.